How to correctly greet Merry Christmas. Listen well. Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux Noël!
Joyeux Noël.
Maligayang bagong taon.
Tu fais peur. Un peu plus d'énergie, more energy.
Maligayang Pasko pala, sorry.
Ano sabihin ko?
Sabihin mo Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux Noël!
Joyeux Noël. Yay! Joyeux Noël.
Ano sabihin ko?
Ay, yung nakakasabi ko lang, Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux Noël!
Hindi ulitin mo. I am back in the Philippines. This is it. Tinay ko po the last few days. Super lucky po kami nakapunta sa Philippines kasi na nga sarado po ang borders. In this video, I am going to answer your questions on how I got to travel sa Philippines, the main big questions, but all the details you can check on the link below. Yun. And then I'm gonna answer some fun holiday FAQ questions about Christmas in France and the Philippines. So let's go! First question I got asked is, how did we enter in the Philippines? Hey oh, voici mon mini vlog voyage depuis la France vers les Philippines. Knox my champagne, hein? Ah ouais, j'ai regardé plein de films et là il y avait ma copine Wonder Woman. Alors on se ressemble ou pas? Là, j'avoue, on était bien. On est en fait upgrade en business class. Je vais vous montrer un peu le food trip que j'ai eu. Pour la première fois de ma vie, j'ai mangé une soupe de nouilles dans un avion. Et c'était super bon, des pâtes super fraîches. Regardez un film. Récoltage social. Donc, comme un bébé. Et j'ai regardé le film Baby Boss. J'ai pleuré. Hi! We are at Singapore before flying to Manila. The jet lag is hitting hard. So na yun, nakarating na po kami sa Singapore and look at my friend. I made a friend and Papa was reading this comic book written by a Filipino and translated in French. Qui a été traduite. Mais non, mais attends, c'est la première qui a été traduite en français. So after a few hours of waiting, we finally get to the gate to fly to Manila. Hi, Papa! Oh, hi, Ma. Galit ka? Ay, hindi. Okay, love you. Nakarating na po kami sa Manila. Bigla, no, Bureau Branches. Nilagay po kami sa tabi parce que la France est sur Red List. Et on attend notre tour. Red List. Non, arrête! Mais elle est sérieuse! Now we're going through immigration and story time! Bon bah, small world, yung immigration officer, c'est le ex-boyfriend de ma cousine. Donc là, dernière étape, on est à l'étape DOT, on doit montrer notre health pass. Est-ce que vous avez déjà vu un arabe se faire arrêter à l'immigration pour du jambon?
Bah oui, parce qu'on est des jambons.
Sa tête, il a vu ça. Elle dit c'est pas normal. Sortie de l'aéroport, ça y est, on est à Manille. Et là, il y a le van de l'hôtel qui vient de nous chercher. So, sinundo po kami ng van ng hotel and on the way na kami sa pag-quarantine. How long did I get into quarantine? I am in the Philippines with my parents, si Mama at si Papa. And super lucky po kami kasi we actually entered the Philippines a day before they closed the borders to anyone from the red list. So including France, high risk country. So red listed po kami, which is sad. Kasi ang dami po namin kilala na dapat uwi sila sa Pinas after December 13. I feel blessed and grateful, but I also have empathy for sa mga kababayan na hindi po nakauwi, mga OFW na hindi po nakauwi. Sana po, through my vlogmas, you will feel the Christmas in the Philippines and sana makauwi po kayo next year. So, how long did the hotel quarantine last? So, it depends on from which country you're from, if green or yellow or red, 3, 7, 10 days, 14 days. Basta you need to prepare your PCR test, paper forms to fill up online like Health Pass, tapos mag-download po kayo ng, ano ba yun, yung Trace application. Basta all the details, I will share the official link para i-check nyo po daily because it changes every day. So, whatever I see today, baka tomorrow hindi na siya updated. So, now let's get to the fun part. The holidays in France and the Philippines. So, I asked you guys some questions on Facebook and YouTube. I had some funny questions and interesting questions. Joseph Taleon Chua, how to correctly greet Merry Christmas. Listen well. Joyeux Noël.
Joyous Noel!
Maligayang bagong taon.
Tu fais peur. Un peu plus d'énergie, more energy.
Maligayang Pasko pala, sorry.
Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Ano sabihin ko?
Sabihin mo Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux Noel!
Joyeux Noël. Yay! Joyeux Noël.
Ano sabihin ko?
Ay, yung nakakasabi ko lang, Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux.
Hindi ulitin mo. Joyeux.
Ano po?
Repeat. Joyeux
Joyeux
Noël.
Noel.
Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux.
Okay, Merry Christmas. Do you give a present to your inaanak during holidays or do they visit your place? So, next question. Santa in French is Papa Noël. Yeah, it's le Père Noël et Papa Noël. What is your favorite Christmas vacation experience in France? So, most of my Christmas were spent sa Philippines. But, naka-celebrate naman po ako ng Christmas sa France. Actually, last year, 2020, during lockdown. Eh di syempre, we celebrated sa Paris kasama ng sila Telot, tapos yung mga bata, mga pinsan ko. I actually have a vlog here. Kumain po kami ng salmon, mga escargots with bûche. So, natuwa po ako. What is your favorite Christmas present ever? Good question. I don't remember all my gifts, but the first thing that comes out in my mind, le premier truc qui sort de ma tête, c'est la poupée Bratz. After that, after certain age, wala na talagang mismong gift na material, puro pera na lang. So, okay na ako doon. What's your favorite Filipino food for Christmas? If hindi pa ako nag-stop kumain ng pork, lechon for sure. Yung crispy skin, tender loob, tapos yung mamasita na sauce. Pero now, lumpia, meron ba doon? Leche plan, and Filipino spaghetti. Yun, your favorite Christmas vacation experience in the Philippines naman. Yan naman, I have a lot of memories sa Palawan, Cebu. Yung nagustuhan ko po sa Boracay, kaming lahat, it was one of the funniest, worst, and best Christmas ever. Kasi, they all got sick. Yan yung Boracay, yung madumi pa. So, si Mama, grabe, diarrhea. Tapos mga iba, may sakit kasi madumi. Pero ang saya kasi, nag-beach kami, tapos, wala lang maganda. Pero yung main, let's say, yung common things na nagustuhan ko po sa Pilipinas, kasi wherever kami, sa Davao, sa Boracay, o sa Manila, kung umuulan, kung mainit masyado, at least magkasama po kami at may games. Karaoke, may mga games yung ganun, yung maghula ka. Tapos yung ulam, yung noche buena, grabe busog. Mga ganyan. Simple moments. Does the French have what we call manita, manito? Di ba monito, monito yun? En France, Nous, on fait tout le temps la gueule, tu vois. On n'aime pas s'amuser, on n'aime pas jouer. We don't like to have fun. Si mangot sila, puro reklamo. So no, no joke. Of course, we have this game. We don't call it Monito Monita. We call it Secret Santa. What food do the French prepare for Christmas? Do you have Noche Buena Christmas dinner? Again, French, puro reklamo. They don't like to have fun. No joke. Of course. Bien sûr, on a le dîner de Noël. We have like roasted chicken, salmon, snails, yung desserts, les bûches de Noël, which are like ice cream cake. Super sarap. Ano ba? Of course, le foie gras, le bœuf bourguignon. Yeah, I am cheating. Il y a le gratin dauphinois, which is from my dad's region. And syempre, when it's very cold, mahilig po kami yung mga cheese hot fondue, or yung mga raclette. Oh la 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 la. I actually had my first fondue this year. Grabe busog ako. It's very, very fat and greasy, but it's super good. Bonjour! Rivera Nina Monique. In Paris, do you have the traditional Misa de Gallo or Simbang Gabi? Celebrate, you know, les fêtes de l'Avent. Pero yung Simbang Gabi mismo, parang walang ganyan. Ko sure. Okay. When does Santa Claus is coming to town? Kailan ka dadating ah? Dapat walang Filipino time ah. Alam mo naman. Ha? Traffic? Saan traffic? Sa EDSA? Ha? Wala akong pake. Oh, soon. December 24. Angel Hernandez. Do you make sabit de parol near the window? To the window! To the wall! To the wall. Sa Paris, sa France, we don't have parol. Parol is really a typical Filipino decoration. Pero sa Pinas, alam nyo naman, everywhere. And si Mama, syempre, as a true Filipina, she brought a beautiful parol from the Philippines to France and sinabit niya po sa harap ng window sa sala. So, talagang feeling like home. Wei Kauk is asking, does the French Santa Claus speak English? Let's ask him. Ho ho ho! Bonjour tout le monde, joyeux Noël, je suis le Papa Noël français. Qu'est-ce que tu veux, ma grande?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Ah bon? Tu veux parler quelle langue?
English.
You want me to speak in English? Of course! Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome to my office. I hope you've been nice and naughty, or no, I hope you've been nice and not naughty, so that I can give you some presents. Alright! Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Ingat, italot during this Noche Buena, but not too much, okay? Bye! To finish this holiday question, this is a tricky question. Do you like spending Christmas more in France or in the Philippines? Oh! This is the question that all the OFWs, kahit taga France or UK or kahit saan sa Europe or sa US, we always get asked. Eh, grabe ang hirap kasi syempre, you have two homes. You have the country where you were raised and you were born in. So ako po sa France. You have the country, the Philippines, your motherland. Christmas is really big deal yun eh. Feeling ko po, kahit saan, dapat pag nakasama nyo po yung pamilya nyo po, yung loved ones nyo po, dyan po ang magandang mag-celebrate ng Christmas. I know Christmas is not a joyful holiday for everyone. Meron po, mag-isa po sila mag-celebrate. Meron po, they got through a heartbreak or they're far from the family kasi nagtatrabaho po. So, not everyone has the chance to celebrate with family. Meron po wala na po silang parents or close family. So it can be also a sad season. Sana po they find someone in their life that can bring the joy of Christmas. Parang cheesy, parang corny, pero for real. So yan, I hope you enjoyed this really quick FAQ holiday edition video. We're here in the Philippines and excited po ako mag-vlog dito po for the next few days. Merry Christmas! Maligayang pong Pasko sa inyong lahat. Joyeux Noel! And don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Okay, say Joyeux Noel!
Joyeux Noel!
More energy!
Joyeux Noel!
Rockin'